All right, should be on. Welcome everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be introducing our nonprofit organization, ORA, the Ocean Rescue Alliance. ORA's mission is to save our oceans one reef at a time. We are aiming to conduct sustainable restoration through incorporating these 6 objectives. Our artistically crafted reefs enable every individual the opportunity to create an eternal reef for their loved one or company through the creation of artificial reefs designed to incorporate art, innovative designs, and safe materials to enhance marine habitats and provide a unique diving location, creating a lasting memory on the ocean floor that will help restore our marine ecosystems. We are committed to reef restoration and are outplanting coral on all of our modules. Each of our unique dive sites provide an ecotourism opportunity that gives back to our local communities. Our education program seeks to empower and inspire our future generations to maintain marine environments. Coupled with our citizen science program, the Coral Rangers, which engages our local communities in reef monitoring and coral restoration efforts. Our research investigates design improvements, fish population dynamics and recruitment, coral outplanting, and making effective restoration progress. Our goal is to spread awareness and create marine habitats that will last generations to come. We are using the latest and greatest technology to advance our design techniques. We have moved away from hand casting individuals to using VR and 3D scanning to create more detailed sculptures and giving us the ability to make more artistic and complex reefs. While also raising awareness, we're excited to be bringing you all an interactive VR underwater world of our site in the near future, so you can dive our site from anywhere.
So let's talk about some of the problems our reefs are facing. They are under stress from a variety of issues, including increased land-based runoff and fertilizers, which pollute the oceans, acidification, which lowers pH, making it difficult for corals to grow, and diseases such as stony coral tissue loss disease. As with all our ecosystems, everything is connected, so if our coral reefs die, many marine species will lose their homes. Just one interesting connection is that between parrotfish, a fish that eats algae, and coral. Recently, there's been an increase in algae growth on our reefs. Algae competes with corals for reef space. So as parrotfish have been overfished, they can no longer keep the algae in check, and then it outcompetes the corals. You may be wondering why this project is important to us and why our reefs are important. They provide coastal protection from storms, and although they cover less than 1% of our oceans, they provide habitat for over 25% of our marine species. They have the potential for curing ailments and diseases, and some pharmaceutical companies are researching if the reefs might provide the key pharmaceutical ingredients to even make you look younger. Coral restoration and innovation are needed now more than ever. Our current module is designed to mimic a natural reef with shelves and interior spaces for different sizes to create space for both large and small marine species to live. We continually investigate and modify our designs so that they promote fish recruitment, and we also make changes to the exterior coating on the concrete modules so that they are better suited for coral growth and other marine organisms. Back to you, Shelby.
In addition to our reef-like designs, we have the ability to create artistic and memorial reefs. These are some of our existing artistic reefs. The top images are from the 1,000 Mermaids Artificial Reef Project, which hand-casted mermaid sculptures were created to bring awareness to marine conservation and coral restoration. These reefs enhance marine habitats, but also serve as an ecotourism attraction, which we hope will impact our local communities and continue the creation of new artificial reefs. We believe that art can connect people, and we are working on a variety of different themed reefs that will bring different cultures and communities together. Our memorial and celebratory reefs enable every individual or family to celebrate life. Instead of visiting a tombstone of your loved one, dive into a world full of life. Our modules range from plaques to individualized sculptures. Each customized module supports habitat creation and coral restoration. The memorial reefs create a unique ability to connect people to the ocean, giving everyone an opportunity to help restore our marine environments. Each of our modules are embedded with the Coral Lock. The Coral Lock is a device created to increase coral outplanting efficiency. Our ability to outplant coral more effectively will determine how successful we are with coral restoration in the future. We have designed a variety of Coral Lock receivers to adapt to different restoration techniques and sites. These coral locks save time while outplanting coral and have the adaptive ability to outplant on any existing structure with our mini habitat modules, which can outplant up to 15 corals at a time.
Our original mission has now expanded, and the 1000 Mermaids project has evolved into the Ocean Rescue Alliance. Some of Aura's previous projects include the Andrew Red Harris Reef, Phil Foster Park Snorkel Trail, and the Peanut Island Pier Reef. The 1000 Mermaids Artificial Reef Project was founded over 4 years ago with a mission to combine public art with innovative reef development to provide essential coral restoration solutions, not only the Florida Reef Tract, but worldwide. We deployed 18 modules on our current project with 1000 Mermaids in Riviera Beach, and our next deployment, scheduled for later this month, will grow the existing diving and ecotourism destination to over 55, adding over 50 tons of ocean-friendly concrete to the seafloor. Here's a photo of the 1000 Mermaids site, 9 months post-deployment. You can see encrusting sponges and algae here, and each time we monitor the site, we see an even greater variety of organisms growing on it.
Thank you all for tuning in, and check out our website at theoceanrescuealliance.org and our social media to follow any updates and ways you can get involved. Interested in creating a reef, volunteering, or diving? Email us at info@oceanrescuealliance.org. Thanks for tuning in.